Hey estate planners, Heath Ross here, back with another video. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how to convert more referrals into clients. And specifically so a scenario, when somebody, a past client, maybe a family member, referred you to a friend to write an estate plan for them. The process after they make that referral, the first thing that they're going to do is they're going to look you up online. Now, the thing that I really want to bring to light in this video is how important your online presence and how important making it easy to work with you and that first impression that a referral client is going to receive, how important all of these things and how they all factor together into actually converting more people that are referred to you into clients. There is so much to say about how when we start working with new estate planners, how so many more people that were referred to them start becoming clients and start reaching out. So it's really a total online presence and a total makeover for your business when you start getting a lot of these things in order. The feedback that we receive is, not only was I now receiving more business through my website and from the ads that we're running and organically, but a lot of the people are also now referring me. And it's because of all of these things that you've improved. And people are referring you all the time when you don't know, and you don't know how many times, because you don't have a great online presence, that referral might end up going with somebody else just because they looked at your website, they checked you out, and they found somebody else who they thought might actually be a better fit. So just want to bring all of these things to light because they all factor into growing your law firm and increasing your revenues month after month. So I just had 4 points here that I wanted to go over. The main one is that website, which I'm going to talk about third. The first thing they're going to do is they're going to search for you online, and that means they're going to find your Google My Business profile. So that thing better be optimized, and it better have photos of you, your business, your office on there. That's important. They're going to check that out. They want to make sure you're a legitimate company. Yeah, that's important. That's something people don't think of. That's something they forget. Like, oh, photos. Let's put some neat updated photos on there. Second thing is online reviews. They're going to look at your reviews. You might not think that they do, but they are. They're going to look at your reviews. They're going to see how many times you were reviewed. And granted, you don't have a ton of bad reviews, you're going to be good, but they're definitely going to see how many reviews you have on there. Third thing, your website. This is the biggest thing. They're going to go look at your website, and if they pull that thing up and they already are confused about who you are and what you do and why they're on your website, they're probably not going to reach out and contact you. They need to know exactly who you are, and they need to know exactly how they can find more information about the type of service that they're going to reach out to you to help them with. So, if estate planning isn't your primary practice, it should be really easy to find the page that's going to help them learn more about estate planning after they land on your homepage. I'm talking like less than 10 seconds. They should be on that page and maybe one scroll and one click, if that. If it's less than that, that would be even more ideal, just to get to that page. So something to think about. Gold nugget. Oh, and if that is helpful, make sure you like this video right now, because it's really going to help us, and it gets more people to see our videos. So I could talk about websites and the importance of every single nuance of it and every corner of every pixel for ages. But the main point, the main takeaway here is how easy is it to work with you? Your website is your number one employee that's always working. They are working 24/7 to educate prospective clients on your services and questions that they want to have answered. How easy is it for people to converse with your website? Or is it like one of those face-to-face conversations that's just really awkward and you don't know what to say? Think about that. Your website could be giving off that feeling of a really awkward conversation face-to-face. So you want to get that website to feel conversational. So how can you get to that? That's the golden question. So the last thing that I want to mention here is your automations and your follow-up. This really is referring to, how easy is it to work with you? How easy is it to work with your law firm? Do they feel comfortable, after they reached out initially that feel comfortable, not only comfortable reaching out, but confident that, they're going to get a call back if they called you, or when they set an appointment with you that, you're actually going to be there, you're going to show up, and they're going to get, more information and reminders before their meeting with you about said meeting. So, your follow-up is so important, and it lends to that first impression. You could lose a referral simply because, they reached out and they called once and they never got a call back. And that's too bad. They didn't get a call, they didn't get a text. Nobody reached out to them after the first time that they reached out. So they thought, oh, this person isn't very easy to get a hold of, even though they were referred to me. I have another person that was referred to me, and I called and they picked up right away. So a lot of things to think about that you can do to improve your overall online presence and help your law firm to convert more referrals into clients. So that's all that I got for this video. If this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.